What's up, guys? I'm Michael,
I'm Melissa.
and this is our parachute lab for our final project for physics. So basically what we're trying to find here today is the amount of time it takes each parachute, which we're using different materials for the parachute, and each material is a different mass. So we're just going to find the amount of time that each parachute takes to drop from a certain distance, which is the second story window from my upstairs, to hit the ground. So what we did is we took the radius for each circle is 30 centimeters, so we just cut out a piece of string and then tied a Sharpie to it so we could just cut an even circle of each material, okay? And then using a protractor and the ruler, we created 8 points around the circle that were equidistant from each other as the connecting points for the parachute strings, which we just used normal green yarn for the strings. And basically, from what we learned online, the more strings would create the more structure for the parachute, which would give it the best structure for catching air as it falls. So, yeah. And then, do you want to do the next part?
Yeah. So before we did our trials, we weighed each one just so we could make sure that.
Yeah. So the garbage bag parachute. Oh, yeah. Was 0.2 ounces, and then
Our paratrooper that we sent down with the parachutes was 1.3 ounces.
yep. So we had the garbage bag parachute, the shower curtain parachute, a plastic tarp parachute, and then a pillowcase parachute. And we found the time it took for each one to drop. And then also at the very end, we had the idea of trying to cut a hole in the plastic bag parachute. This was the easiest one to cut, and dropping it that way, just because it would create direction for the air to flow through, basically hitting the parachute as it dropped, creating more lift on the sides. So you'll see the results of that data as well. Anything else to add?
Enjoy the videos. Go.